Find or read reviews that people are talking about JY360 Video Projector. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Exceptional brightness and clarity. The JY360 Video Projector delivers an impressive 200 ANSI lumens brightness and a native resolution of 1080p, ensuring that every image is vibrant and clear. Experience superior visual quality with this smart projector, perfect for movie nights or presentations. Seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Enjoy the convenience of a projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, allowing you to connect effortlessly to your devices. Stream content from popular platforms like Netflix and YouTube with the integrated Android 13 operating system. Innovative features for hassle-free setup. This mini projector comes equipped with auto Keystone correction and autofocus, making setup a breeze. The 180 degrees rotation feature allows you to adjust the viewing angle easily, providing flexibility in any space. Compact and portable design. Designed for on-the-go entertainment, the JY360 is a lightweight and portable projector that fits perfectly in your bag. Whether at home or outdoors, you can transform any location into a captivating multimedia hub with this versatile smart projector. Upgrade your entertainment experience. Elevate your home theater setup with the JY360 Video Projector, combining performance, innovation, and convenience in one sleek package. This projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is your ideal companion for all entertainment needs, delivering exceptional quality and immersive audio. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.